Hi guys, it's Katya from FitInMobility, and in this video I'm going to show you how to ease up your shoulder tension without any kind of massage, so stay tuned. So I'm going to tell you an example from my daily life. My patients are coming and they're saying, Katya, help me. I think I need a massage. I said, why? What happened? I'm so tense. I don't know. Maybe I slept so bad, or I don't know, I'm too stressed. And I said, what? You know what? Tense muscles are normally weak muscles. So we need to put the strength in it. So let's hit it on. So this exercise is excellent for your upper shoulder and your neck pain, and it's called TWY, and I'm gonna show you why. I'm just gonna lay on the floor, lay on the stomach. Now guys, I have to speak a little bit more careful because I'm gonna get in trouble because of my mic here. And you just do like this, head is facing down or lays on the side. You're gonna place your thumbs up and you're gonna raise your arms, hold this position 10 seconds or count to 10 and release it. And repeat this 10 times. So the second move, we have W, okay? We have W, you start from this position, 90 degrees in your elbow, in your shoulder, and you press your elbow towards your spine. Hold this for 10 seconds and release it. And again, this one, repeat 10 times. And the third move is Y. I like to raise my head like this. Hold this one again, 10 seconds, 10 repetitions, and release. So guys, this exercise can benefit your posture and your pain in your upper shoulder and your neck. So guys, try it out for yourself. I want to hear from you. Give me a comment, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.